In late winter, I planted 3 varieties of tomatoes in this garden bed and 3 of the same variety in tubs. And here we are, 2 months from planting, and as you can see, they're really going for it. The plants in the tub are neck and neck with the plants that are growing in the ground. But as you can see, these tub tomatoes are already fruiting, and it won't be long before it's fresh tomato on the dinner plate. I swear I couldn't be happier. You can see that I've pruned away a lot of the foliage, maybe too much. I believe that this helps direct resources to growing fruit rather than leaves, but the leaves are required to photosynthesize the sunlight into energy, so I guess it's possible to remove too many. Most of the leaves that I've pruned away were the ones that were growing out of the sunlight. Now, when they're growing like this is when your plant ties are invaluable. I use a combination of these clips to secure the vine to the growing supports. There are these soft Enviro ties and hook and loop ties to train the vines. There are different ties for different needs, so I reckon keep a variety of them near your plants and use them. It's clear to me that these frames work so much better than just a single stake. It's possible to divide and then support the leading shoots separately. They're all growing nicely, but I still think it's the Grip and Grow freestanding frame that is going to enable me to shape this vine in the best way for this garden. Clearly it's the Italian heritage tomatoes that'll be first, and then the Apollos, which they say are early fruiters, they'll be next. The beefsteak, well, that still looks like it's a few weeks away now. I've learned that tomatoes can get quite hungry, so I'll be keeping the water and the food up to these, and that should keep them fruiting throughout the summer. And now these ones are on the way. I've started a gross list and a Roma tomato up against the wall, and I've also put in some basil and some lettuce for the salads and marigolds to discourage the bugs. My aim is to keep these plants producing right throughout the summer, so stay in touch. I'll share that story. Once these are ripe, no doubt I'm going to have possums, cockatoos and other wildlife wanting to feed on them. This year I've got a cunning plan to foil them, and I'll share that with you in a later video. Whites have plenty of other clever ideas to help bring your garden to life, and they're available from your local Bunnings.